The blue jay is a very cautious bird, even though it's large, makes a lot of noise. It seems to be afraid of almost anything. But he'll come in, or she'll come in and pick up one of these and take it into a tree, because I've watched her do this. With one claw, she holds on to the peanut and places it in her mouth and pecks at it to break it open, and then eats it, and then comes back and get another one. On the other hand, sometimes they take them and they hide them for lunch on a different day. There's the blue jay calling his friends, saying, you better come and get them while they last. He'll work at this, or she, until she's got them all. Can he carry two? Yes, he can. No, he can't. He did it. I guess they're so hungry and so determined that the cat doesn't even bother them. Beautiful bird, though. And they come in groups, usually 2 or 3.